Hi everyone! Welcome back! If you love bags and accessories designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. Today is a requested video. This was requested by XSRRDS and she wanted me to share with you how I will place this sling and make this bag into a backpack. I already did a video of this one. I'll just link it up here if you haven't seen it yet. So this is how I did this one. So first is to get the hook and put it inside this D-ring all the way through the bottom one. And let's place the hook on the bottom D-ring like so, and same principle as the other D-ring, we'll put this inside of the D-ring and let's hook this one on the bottom portion, bottom D-ring, and then let's pull this one and the other side as well, and make sure to put them in the middle. And now we have our backpack. Make it an equal length, so we now have a backpack. So this is one way of doing it. Then we have another way, the other way around. So let's remove this first. Let's put this one at the bottom this time. Okay. So this one will go at the bottom. And then let's hook it on the top D-ring. And let's just pull, and same goes with the other side. You have to put it inside the bottom D-ring and hook it on the top D-ring as well. Same as what we did on the other side. And let's make them the same length so that it will balance on your shoulders. And now this is another way of doing it. Backpack. So I really hope this helps you, my friend XSRRDS, on your question on how I placed my backpack sling on my Pierre Loues. And I really am enjoying using this one. It is easy to clean. I just spray it with my Secosana spray mist of cleaning this one, and then wipe it with a soft cloth, and it's all brand new again. So I hope this helps you, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time.